Equine injuries and injuries that are a product of the equine industry are difficult cases. In Florida, the equine industry, and that would include the owner of horses, the owner of horse facilities, the sponsor of horsing events, those particular people are protected by an equine immunity statute that has been in place in Florida for some time now. The lawmakers in the state of Florida obviously have an interest in protecting the equine industry. It's a very big industry in our state. It brings in a lot of money. It provides a lot of jobs, and they understandably wish to protect those individuals who are bringing that business into the state of Florida. But they do not offer them a full immunity. They are not given carte blanche to just act the way that they want to act. They are still held to a standard that applies to the equine industry, and they are required to follow certain steps if they want to enjoy the immunity that is provided to them by the statute. Such steps would require them to get a release and waiver signed, which fully explains the potential dangers of equine industry. They are also required to post signs that warn of the potential dangers. If those things are not done, then the equine owner or activity sponsor is not protected by the equine statute. Even if those procedures are properly followed, there is still the ability to bring a claim in many cases because the equine statute is not a 100% immunity across the board that's provided to these particular individuals. They are still required to make sure that they adequately match a rider's ability with the horse that they are putting the rider on. They are required to provide the proper equipment and the proper tack. They are required to provide an environment and an atmosphere where this horse riding activity can be conducted in a safe manner. And if those steps are not followed, then a claim can be brought against any of those equine activity sponsors or owners. And we often see that the injuries suffered as the result of a fall from a horse or a kick from a horse are many times catastrophic given the sheer size of the horse and the fact that there is no protection afforded to a rider. Riders on horses don't wear seatbelts. And if they're not wearing the proper equipment, such as helmets, rib protectors, such as that, they can be catastrophically injured.